In the heart of Hollywood, some celebrities find refuge in stunning outdoor retreats, allowing them to reconnect with nature. For instance, Ariana Grande has a breathtaking garden complete with lush greenery and vibrant flowers, designed for serenity and reflection. Similarly, Leonardo DiCaprio owns an eco-friendly beach house in Malibu, where he enjoys yoga by the ocean and peaceful sunrise meditations. Meanwhile, Beyoncé showcased her love for nature with her sprawling backyard oasis, featuring a tranquil pond and exotic plants. These outdoor escapes highlight how these stars prioritize well-being amidst their hectic lives, transforming nature into a personal sanctuary.